Welcome back, travelers. Today, we're checking out 10 tiny gadgets you need for your next trip. They take up almost no space, but can completely transform how smoothly you travel. These are some of the smartest travel gadgets you can pack without adding extra weight or bulk. As always, you'll find links to all of them in the description below, so you can easily check them out for your next adventure. First up is the Neo 3-in-1 foldable charger, one of the smartest accessories you can carry if you use multiple Apple devices. Instead of wrestling with a mess of cables every night, this single compact gadget charges your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously. It unfolds in seconds, and strong magnets snap your devices into place, keeping everything perfectly aligned. When you're done, it folds back into a tiny square that slips easily into your pocket. It even includes its own mini 20-watt charger, so you don't need to pack extra adapters. This simple upgrade instantly makes your travel setup cleaner, lighter, and more convenient. Next up is a magnetic phone stand and fidget spinner combo that's surprisingly useful in more situations than you'd expect. Snap it onto your phone and attach it to metal surfaces like airplane trays, gym machines, or even your fridge for effortless hands-free use. It also folds into a sturdy stand so you can comfortably watch videos or take calls wherever you are. When you're stuck waiting around, it doubles as a smooth spinning fidget tool that's genuinely hard to put down. Made from solid aluminum, it feels premium in hand and folds flat so it practically disappears in your pocket, bringing both practicality and a touch of fun to your travel routine. If you're still traveling with a bulky wallet, this next gadget will feel like a serious upgrade. The Flipside 4 wallet is built like a tank, yet stays impressively slim, thanks to its hard shell design that protects your cards from bending, cracking, and unauthorized scanning with built-in RFID blocking. Its standout feature is the flip button activation mechanism, which instantly opens the wallet and neatly displays your cards so you're never fumbling at the register. It also secures your cash and slips comfortably into your pocket. It's a small, everyday item that makes a big difference in both confidence and convenience while you travel. This next gadget might look tiny, but it's one of the most powerful tools you can carry. Meet the Hagibis USB 4 keychain cable, your compact go-anywhere backup for both charging and data transfer. Despite its size, it supports extremely fast speeds, can power high-demand devices like laptops, and even support video output. That's a lot of performance packed into a keychain-sized cable. When you're done, it snaps together into a compact, protective shape that easily clips onto your keychain or bag, staying ready without getting tangled or damaged. Whether you're topping up your phone or moving files in a hurry, this little cable has you covered. Sometimes relying only on your phone for photos can feel limiting. That's where this compact camera comes in. The Kodak PixPro FC45 is a straightforward point-and-shoot designed to do one thing well: capture moments without distractions. It delivers clean, sharp photos with a slightly nostalgic digital look that many people love. Because it uses regular AA batteries, you can swap them out anywhere instead of worrying about chargers or cables. Its pocket-friendly size makes it ideal for quick shots on the go, especially while traveling, so you won't drain your phone battery or overload its storage. Simple, reliable, and fun, it's a great alternative to smartphone photography. If you ever struggle to read small text while traveling, these thin optics slim reading glasses might surprise you. Designed for maximum portability, they attach to the back of your phone with a slim case, so they're always within reach. Instead of traditional arms, they rest comfortably on your nose, making them quick to slip on for reading menus, tickets, or labels. Available in several magnification levels, you can easily choose the strength that suits you best. Their ultra-compact design means they disappear into your bag without taking up any extra space. It's a tiny product that offers a simple, smart fix for a very real everyday problem. This next gadget is for anyone who takes their coffee seriously. The Auten Mino portable espresso machine is a compact device that lets you brew real espresso wherever you are. Thanks to its built-in heating system, you don't even need hot water. Just add your coffee and press a button. It works with both ground coffee and capsules, giving you the flexibility to use whatever you have on hand. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it can make multiple cups on a single charge, making it ideal for travel, camping, or long days out. Built to withstand tough environments, it ensures you can enjoy a proper cup of coffee whether you're in the mountains or on the road. Hotel Wi-Fi is often slow and unreliable, but this tiny travel router fixes that instantly. The TP-Link Nano Travel Router lets you create your own private Wi-Fi network wherever you go, so you can connect all your devices without repeatedly logging in. It supports multiple modes, hotspot, extender, and access point, so you can adjust it to whatever setup you need. Powered via USB, it can run from a power bank or laptop, making it ideal for travel. Its compact size means it slips easily into any bag, and once you start using it, you'll notice how much smoother your online experience is on the road. Losing your belongings while traveling can be incredibly stressful, and that's exactly what this next gadget helps you avoid. The TileMate Tracker is a compact Bluetooth device that attaches to your keys, bag, or any other important item, allowing you to track it from your phone. If you misplace something, you can make the tracker ring instantly, and if you can't find your phone, just press the tile to make your phone ring, even if it's on silent. With long battery life and a durable, water-resistant design, it's built for everyday use. This simple gadget offers real peace of mind and makes traveling feel far less stressful. Finally, we have something simple yet incredibly practical, a TSA-approved clear toiletry bag designed to make airport security faster and less stressful. Its transparent design lets you see everything inside at a glance, so you don't have to open it during security checks, which helps the whole process go much smoother. The bag opens flat for easy access to all your items and is made from durable material that maintains its shape even when tightly packed. Beyond toiletries, it also works perfectly for organizing cables, chargers, and small gadgets, making it a truly versatile addition to your travel kit. Sometimes the simplest items make the biggest impact, and this is definitely one of them. That wraps up our list of 10 tiny gadgets you need for your next trip. You can find links to all of them in the description below. If you'd like to discover some great foldable travel gadgets as well, make sure to check out the next video.